Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get custom themes just from your app store. There is no need to do any shortcuts or any kind of app redirect or anything like that anymore. We can now change our icons and do everything with an app from the app store. And the app I'm going to be using today in this video is going to be called Moloko. So you can just go to your app store and just search for Moloko, just like I have here. And the one you're going to be looking for is the top one right here called Moloko Themes and Icons. You want to go ahead and download that. Once you have that downloaded, you just can go to your home screen and I'll show you guys what everything looks like. So once you're on the application, this is what it looks like. You'll see trending themes on the very top here, like Felicity. You can also scroll through here. You see Thine, Raketa, Lumi. So there's tons of themes you guys can choose from on here. There is some paid as well, but a lot of them are free. But you can just scroll through here and choose any ones that you like. Once you find one that you like, you can just click on Get beside that one. So I'll just click on Get beside this gold one right here. And then you can see here that you have a couple different options. It shows you this downloaded system app icons. It has third-party icons and custom pack that they're working on as well. You can decide to download whatever you would like. So let's just say if I wanted to download the system apps, I click on download right beside the system apps. And it'll bring me to this, try to configure a profile. So all you want to do here is just click on allow and then close. And then we can exit back out to our settings and open up our settings. Once we've opened up our settings, you might see the profile downloaded right here. You can go click on that if you see it, but if you don't see that, you can scroll down and go to General, then scroll down and click to Profile, which is right under VPN. Then you will see the Gold V2 system applications. You can click on that and click on Install, and then go ahead and type your password in. And then just click on Install one more time, and done. If we exit out of here now, you will then see that our icons are the black and gold theme. Really, really cool. So this is just the system applications. Obviously, if I wanted to get the custom applications and the downloadable applications, you can go back into the application and then now click download on the third-party apps. And the same process will then happen. So I'll go profile downloaded, go back to my settings, click on third-party apps, install, put the password, and install, and done. So now that should add in the third-party apps. And as you guys see now, my phone screen is pretty well full of third-party applications with the new icons. Now, these do work. If you go ahead and click in them, they do work. So Twitter, we'll open up my Twitter, and Discord, we'll open up my Discord. So everything works really, really great. And another thing is you guys can hide all your other applications in your app library if you want to, and just replace them with the ones with the icons that you like. Now, to remove these icons, it's really, really easy. All you have to do is go back to settings, open up settings, and just remove the configuration profiles. Once you remove the configuration profiles, it will then remove all the customized applications that we just downloaded from the application. So we can go back to normal if we would like to very, very easily, and also switch between different themes from the application. But you guys will notice now, once I go back and remove the profiles, all the apps are gone and my phone is now cleaned out again. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this on your phones with this new application. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.